So this is the video for how to start a print on our Rostock printer, our big Delta. So for a frame of reference, the power button is on the back, which is kind of a strange place. So the first thing you need to do is preheat for the type of filament that you have in there, because we're going to change the filament. So oddly enough, that's in the printer settings menu. Go down to preheat PLA. If you're using PETG, you can use the preheat ABS function. So preheat for PLA, and I think that just sets the temperature. So we'll then go back to the main, and it's setting the target for 180 degrees and the bed for 60 degrees. Okay, so now we're up to temperature. So what we need to do to get the filament out is you need to hold down the red lever up here, which releases the filament, and while pulling it out at the same time. So you can see it getting pulled out of the Bowden tube. And it'll come out the top. So something that's particularly important with the Rostock is making sure that the end of the filament is sharp. So just cut the filament at a 45-degree angle. And this is pretty tricky. You have to get it threaded between the red part and the white part. So you pull the red lever, thread it through, and it should go down into the Bowden tube. Then you can just kind of hand thread it. Hand thread it until it gets down to the nozzle. Just kind of push it through, and you'll feel it hit the heating element until it'll start coming out the nozzle. And you just want to do that until you get to the correct color. So it's just red. Then now we have the filament loaded correctly. Go down to the screen and go down to the select SD file. Find your file in here. Just doing a benchy. Click on it. The printer is going to home, and it'll set the correct temperature. Once it's finished preheating, then it'll start printing.